Welcome to our tutorial on using the Summary Reports page in SafeFood Pro. This page is a great way to get an overview of training forms, troubleshooting forms, and any incidents that have been created in your account. In this video, I'll show you how to utilize this page to export data and understand how it works as a whole. Now, there's an important caveat with using the summary page, which I'll cover towards the end, so stick around. Let's start by opening up our admin console and navigating to the reports page. It opens on the summary page, displaying your summary reports for a selected time period. You can adjust this time period using the date picker in the top right-hand corner. Usually when viewing summary data, you'll want to see a larger time frame to encapsulate all the forms you've completed, such as 3 months or so. To do this, select Custom and open the date picker. Navigate to your start date, select it, then move to your end date and select that. Click Done once you've chosen your dates, and the data will update to reflect the selected time frame. Now, depending on the number of forms you've completed, it may take a few seconds for the data to load, but once it appears, you can scroll through and see the populated reports. One key report is the exception report, which displays all the blue notes created on your forms. So if you've created a blue note on any form, it will be listed here. To view an individual record within this report, just click on the eye icon, and this will open the form. And this functionality applies across the entire page. Since only so much data can fit on this page, for a more detailed view, I recommend selecting the printer icon next to your report, and this will generate a PDF of all the data, making it easier to review. Alternatively, you can use our other exporting options. The envelope icon allows you to email a PDF of the report and send it to a recipient. And the export button enables you to download a CSV file directly to your computer, which you can then view using Excel or Google Sheets. Now here's the caveat. For training, temperature check, or incident summary reports, the summary page will only detect completed versions of our master forms, indicated by the little green SFP badge on your forms page. So if you've created a bunch of custom templates for training or incidents and primarily use those, they won't appear in the summary reports page. For viewing these, other tools like the completed forms page or the form reports page will be far better options for you. The exception to this is, of course, if you're in a group. Group training or incident forms created by your system administrator should appear without any issue. A group form will be indicated by the little group icon in your forms page. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@safefoodpro.com.